Hello once again, AP Calc students. Mr. Record here from Avon High School, and I'm over here in this corner, right? What we're going to do is take a look at another Continental Mathematics League problem. This one comes from the 2021-2022 test, Meet 3. It's problem number 7, and it sort of reads like a related rate question at the beginning, but it's actually just a problem that involves definite integration. So it says a snowman melts at a rate of 100 divided by 4t plus 3 cubic centimeters per minute. That's kind of sad. Frosty is going bye-bye here. How many more cubic centimeters of the snowman will melt during the first minute than will do so during the second minute? And it says to express your answer to 3 places, which is likely going to mean that we're going to have to use our graphing calculators for this one. So it kind of surprises me, to be honest, that this is a 2-point question because it is very calculator oriented here because of the 3 decimal place rule, even though one could do this work without a calculator and express it as an exact answer. So here's what you got to do, guys. If you have a rate of something, a rate of melt, all right, a rate of water, right, forming when the snow melts. And we want to figure out how many cubic centimeters we would have of that snowman melt, which is, again, called water. Snowman melt is water, right? Don't kid yourself. Snowman melting is water. Then what we have to do is undo this rate. We have to undo the per minute. And the only way that you can do that in calculus, or the most effective way at least, is to use an integral. And so we are just going to integrate this 100 over 4t plus 3 with respect to t, and we want to do so during a certain time interval. Which one? Well, it says during the first minute. Well, the first minute will always start at time 0, and then it shall end at time 1. Now, we could actually find this answer by using a pencil and paper method. It's just a U substitution. It's got a 1/4 that's going to pop out in front. It's going to have a natural log form. But if we're going to have to convert this to 3 decimal places, then any graphing calculator worth its salt is going to be able to tackle this, right? And certainly the TI Inspire would do that. And so what you guys want to do is find another integral that would depict how much melt has taken place during the second minute. Now, the trickiest part of this might be for you to determine what are the boundaries going to be for that quote unquote second minute. Well, I'll give you a hint. It's the next minute after the first minute. So think about where this one stops and then go for another minute interval there. And then, of course, you're still integrating the same rate expression. And then, guys, you're just going to get a couple of answers that could be decimals. Find out what their difference is, and you have got an answer to 7, which is actually a pretty easy 2-pointer, I think, for you guys to be able to get on the AP exam. Make sure you round to 3 places. Hope this helps. We'll see you next time.